Pat Group Pharma Division presents Coated Tablet Production Line by Wet Granulation. A coated tablet's typical production process by wet granulation consists mainly of 5 stages. Wet granulation, granulation, and drying. The first step is transporting the raw material to Room 1. Room 1 consists of a vacuum loading system with an inline vibrating sieve, a built-in high-shear mixer granulator, MEEC, a wet calibrator, CPH, a closed-loop transfer system connecting granulator and fluid bed dryer, ASICA, a dry calibrator, CPS line, a vacuum loading system with column, CK500, and a bin. To prepare the formula, the excipient is vacuum loaded using the inline loading lance with the vibrating sieve, which sieves the product through its mesh. The material enters the MEEC container to start the first stage of the process. The operator adds the active ingredient to the excipient and starts the process of mixing and dispersion. Subsequently, the peristaltic pump activation adds the binding agent. This initiates the granulation process with the impeller and chopper, which prevents the formation of large lumps. Upon completion of granulation, discharge is carried out. The product will pass through the calibrator, CPM or CPH, to homogenize the particle size of the granules. An air vane transports the granules to the fluid bed dryer, ASICA, in a contained circuit. Within the fluid bed dryer, a stream of hot, low-humidity air circulates, allowing the product to absorb moisture for drying. The dried granules are recalibrated with the CPS line mill in a contained pipeline and automatically loaded by vacuum into the bin. The wet granulation process ends here. The operator places the bin in the airlock area to transport it to Room 2, the lubricant addition area. The bin is transferred from the wet granulation area to the mixing area. Tumble mixing the formula. The bin is attached to the BVC and safety locks are engaged. In the mixing room, add the powdered lubricant to reduce friction and improve the product's flowability in the compression process. The mixing time will depend on the characteristics of each product and the chosen speed. Cohesive products often require longer mixing times, while highly fluid ones achieve the desired result in shorter times. Once finished, the operator can detach the bin and place it in the airlock to transport it to Room 3. Compression. In Room 3, there is a bin lifting column, a compressor, a tablet deduster, and a metal detector. The column automatically feeds the compressor's loading hopper. Compressors may have a configuration that allows for automatic control and regulation of the process to maintain tablet weight stability. The force feeder facilitates powder entry into the dies, considering each product's different characteristics. The DS6000 is a tablet deduster with a dust suction system and a helical feed screw. The DT8000 is a metal detector and separator with maximum sensitivity, capable of locating ferrous, non-ferrous, and stainless steel metals. After the compression process, the bin with tablets is ready to be transported to the coating area. Coating. In the 4th room, find the Revesta with interchangeable drums. The Revesta is a pan designed for tablet coating, but the operator can add a specific drum for pellet coating. It can be used for aqueous and organic coatings, ensuring process quality. Once loaded into the equipment, the tablets should rest horizontally. At this point, the operator secures the door and starts the machine process. The container rotates in a tablet cascade while the spray gun injects the lacquer, ensuring a uniform coating. The operator can use an optional equipment accessory to facilitate unloading. Unloading occurs by rotating the drum, the conical shape of the accessory, and gravity sliding. Thus, the production circuit concludes in 5 stages. Room 1, where wet granulation and drying stages occur. Room 2, for granule lubrication. Room 3, the compression room. Room 4, the coating room.